Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a calendar to Hostinger. The first thing I want you to do once you're logged into your H panel, come here, click on websites, and then just go ahead and click on edit website on any of your websites. And then once this loads up, on the left hand panel we'll get a bunch of options. I want you to click here on more. And then first you just go ahead and click on appointments. You can toggle this one on and basically set up your appointments and the calendar feature. Now once you set it up here in Store Manager, as you can see, this will go ahead and load up. Then you just go ahead and turn on the appointment feature. Once it's turned on, as you can see, I can create appointments, and if you want people to go ahead and add their own calendar and insert their dates, then you just come here, click on elements, scroll down, click on embed code, and you can go ahead and click on this and then embed your own calendar here. And it's really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out.